Do you know that elephants are the largest land animals on Earth? These magnificent creatures can weigh up to 12,000 pounds and stand as tall as 13 feet. Not only are they big, but they also have an incredible memory. Elephants can remember locations of water sources and food, as well as recognize individual elephants they have met before, even after years have passed. Another fascinating fact is that elephants communicate using a variety of sounds, including trumpeting, rumbling, and even infrasound that humans cannot hear. Their impressive size, memory, and communication skills make elephants truly remarkable creatures in the animal kingdom.